Okay, so yesterday we did discount, okay? And today is the 13th. We're going to do discount day 2, okay? Discount day 2. Today we are actually going to be using a calculator, so the math should be faster and easier. But just like I learned yesterday, well, I already knew this, even if you have a calculator, does not mean you know what to do with it and how to get a right answer. So we're going to work through it. So let's see, what else do I need to buy?
You go on Best Buy.
Oh.
We need a
toaster.
a
PS5.
Okay, the fireplace for our classroom, that would be pretty cool. Costs $250. It is on sale for, let's say, 35% off. Okay, so we're gonna use a calculator, but of course Miss O'Malley always grades the work. But Miss O'Malley, you're allowing us to use a calculator. Yes, I know, but you're still gonna have to show work. So what's our first step?
To turn the 35% decimal.
Okay, what's 35% as a decimal? So even if we're using a calculator, we still have to do this. The calculator will not do this for us. When we type in our numbers, have to type it in as 0.35. All right, so what am I taking? What's my first step after?
Multiply.
So 250 times 0.35. All right, let's Google search a calculator, plug it in, and tell me what you get with the calculator. Let's do this quickly.
I can do it.
No. Do the roll.
Well, yeah, so just telling everybody, you write down the problem, and then use a calculator. Beep, bop, boop, beep, boop. Beep, bop, boop, bop, boop. And we get
87.5.
87.5. Now, what does this number represent?
You're how much you're saving.
Very good. So we're going to save $87.50, right? When it ends in 0.5, that means it's 50 cents. There's no zero there. All right.
Now you have to see what's the new price.
So subtract.
Yes. So our second step is to subtract. So 250, and yes, I want to see how you line up your decimals. Miss O'Malley, we're using a calculator. I know, but I still want to see the decimals lined up. I don't want to see this, because this is what I saw yesterday. I saw kids do this, 250, and then they wrote this.
Isaac.
No, not in this class.
Oh,
They did this, and it's like they were using a calculator yesterday, and it's like, no, I don't want to see this. This is not correctly written. I know you're using a calculator, and it doesn't really matter on paper, but, you know. Thank you. Appreciate that. All right, so type it into your calculator.
162.5.
Let us do it. I already did it. I did it in my notebook. I don't care about that.
Okay. Like, totally not right there.
I dropped the roll.
All right, 162.50.
New price, yeah, 160.
All right, so calculator super awesome. If you make a mistake and then do 250 times not 0.35, but you just type in 35, you don't get the right answer. When you're doing discount, how much you're saving is more than what the price is, you made a mistake. So the price is $250. Can I save more than $250? No. So that should stop you and be like, whoa, it's $8,000. I can't save $8,000.
Just replace the comma with that's more.
No.
No, because that's only $8. So
Right, but that's not the same, right? $100 and $1 is not the same. All the difference is a decimal. It's huge.
They're asking you a question. No, it's warm. Like, whenever I put my hands up, it's warm right here.
Okay, well, sit up and you might feel it on your head, you know?
Yeah, now it's warm.
All right. So yesterday we went up to like number 6. Some of you went further. So what I want to do is I want to finish this worksheet with the calculator. Go back, check your answers for numbers. We did number 1, 2, and 3. So I need you to check your answers for 4 and 5 with the calculator. Finish with the calculator, but Dylan, you're still showing me the work. You're still telling me step 1, 425 times 0.15. You're still showing me the work.
We put on a book away.
Yeah, I think that's it. I want to show you a shortcut, but I mean they're going to show it to you today or tomorrow, the shortcut. We'll see. All right. I just passed out this worksheet with the pretty little winter clothes.
Not bad.
I want you to start on the back. All right, gentlemen. I see you on the back of this paper. If you don't have one, the person in front of you has it. All right.
Oh, you stop.
Okay, number 7. The original price of a skateboard was $63.99. I'll just keep it for now. Thank you, Eric. The owner of the store marked it 50% off. Calculate the discount and the sale price. Okay? So everybody do $63.99 with 15% off right now with the calculator. Joseph, we're here right now.
9.85.
So $63.99 times 0.15. Does it matter if I use the point or not? Yes, it does. So type it into your calculator.
Type me at 64.
No, you're missing one number. That's what I got.
Those taxes.
All right. So right now, our answer is 9.5985, right?
So you have to subtract that.
Well, no.
Subtract.
No.
Round it.
Yep.
Oh, what?
So right now, because, well, yes, because we deal with pennies, right? We have to look at the penny section, which is the hundreds, okay? So what does the 8 tell the 9 to do?
Or
Move up.
To move up. So in elementary school, this is a skill from elementary school, you learn that 5 or more, you go up.
Yeah.
And 4 or less, you stay the same. Something you learned in elementary. So the 8 tells the 9 to go up. Well, it's a 9, so it becomes a 10, which means you give 1 to the 5. So rounded, this would equal how much money? 9.60. So this is just rounding. When you have an answer on your calculator, it has a lot of digits, you have to round. Okay? All right, step number 2. What do I do? So 63.99 minus 9.60.
9, 3, 5, 13.
And what do we get?
54.39, yeah.
54.39.
So the stage was $9.60.
So we save $9.60. Are you literally just copying what I just did? Sad. All right. After a couple of weeks, it still wasn't selling. So the owner took 10% off the new sale price. How much does a skateboard cost now? So we're going to take 10% off. But of what price? The $54.39.
So 54.39 times 0.1.
Yep. So $54.39 times 10%. What is 10%? 0.1. And what do we get?
54.
No, not 54. Am I going to say $54?
Oh, no.
You get 5.439, right? All right. So what does the 9 tell the 3 to do?
So like, move up.
Move up. So what is this equal to?
5.4.
5? No.
5.
No.
5.44.
Brian?
5.44.
Yep. So the 9 tells the 3 to go up. So what does a 3 turn into? A 4. Do we get rid of this 4? Nope, it's still there. So we get rid of the 9. You get rid of the numbers in the back, not the front. All right, so now what's our second step? Subtract. What number goes on top? 54.39 minus 5.44. If I have $50, can I afford this skateboard?
49.95. That's like that.
49?
48.
48.
48.95.
Calculator, it's your friend.
Oh, I didn't use that. 48.95.
Okay. Pythagoras Middle School wants to buy 40 t-shirts for the cross-country team. They look at 2 stores to see which will give them the better deal. Store A, Spider Lab, will charge them $6.95 per shirt. Store B said the total for all 40 shirts would be $325. But they would give the school 20% off. Eric, can I have your phone up here, please? Thanks. Sit anywhere. Which store has a better deal? Show your work to justify your answers. Okay? So I need 40 shirts. This is very Spider Lab.
Let's do both.
Yeah. I want to know which one's a better deal and why. You can work with your partner. Ready, set, go. Which one's a better deal? Store A or this is so Spider Lab.